Here are 5 of my favorite AI design tools that will speed up your workflow and make your life as a designer that much easier. First up is Crayon. It is an AI image generation tool where you can give it a prompt and see what it comes out with. I've been having a little play around with it today, and this is God in the style of Salvador Dali. You can see here that it emulates the characteristics of the great surrealist painter himself. And what you can do is you can insert any sort of prompt along with the style and it will generate a variety of images that you can use. I've also given it the prompt a dancing goat, pop art style, and here we have quite a hip looking goat. Now, when you click on one of these, you get a low resolution image which you can save. But here's a little trick: there is Let's Enhance, which is an image enhancer and upscaler that uses AI to increase the resolution of your images. So you can take the low resolution images that you've created with Crayon and enhance them with Let's Enhance. Now, the next tool that I'm going to introduce you to is Chroma. Chroma is an AI color palette tool for designers. And what happens is it creates a set of color palettes which are going to be pleasing to your eyes based on your own choices. These are the ones it's given for me based on my own sample. And you can simply take one of these, favorite it, look at the details and see exactly the color code combinations. And just to show you the process of what happens. So you also have the option to create gradients that are pleasing to your little eyeballs, and it will even overlay gradient maps onto images. So you can get a feel for how these color palettes can work in a stylized way. I think this is a great tool. You get your favorites where you can save all your favorites, and you can even get broader color palettes generated. So the next tool, which I'm going to show you, is an AI writing tool. It's essentially the world's most intelligent autocomplete. So you give it a parameter, you give it an idea, and it will spin off all you need. Now, the reason why this is useful for designers is that if you're designing a website and you don't have the copy of the content yet, this can create some really realistic, effective content for you to use. I've given it the prompt AI tools for designers and to create a website name for this, and to also give us a blurb and sections about the website. And it has come out with designs done easy. AI tool for designers is the ultimate tool for graphic designers. From the simplest sketches to complex designs, the AI tools for designers will help you create high quality graphics in just a few seconds. It then gives us a number of sections, including ease of use. With AI tools for designers, you can create designs that are perfect and ready to be exported. With a single click, you can get an awesome design that matches your vision. Save time and money. AI tools for designers will automatically generate logos, vectors, and other graphics with a single click. So let's give it another task. Let's give this a website for the best toilet, super clean and fast toilet. And we can see what we will get. So we sit here patiently waiting for the AI to solve all our lives' problems. And it comes up with the best toilet brush. You can't buy cleanliness, but you can buy our toilet brush. Oh my God, I think I might buy it. Maybe I should give in this career and start up a toilet brush company. It's time to clean up. A dirty toilet is a smelly one, and a smelly toilet is never a good thing. It's icky and it leaves you feeling queasy. That's why you need the best toilet brush on the market. Our super efficient, tough scrubbing bristles will leave your toilet sparkling clean in no time. It just makes sense. And with every purchase, we'll send you our best-selling guide to maintaining your toilet for free. You'll know how to keep it as fresh as possible for longer, with just a few minutes of time each week. So, grabbing this brush will help you maintain your home hygiene too. It's better than ones that cost a ton. This brush doesn't cost an arm and a leg, and it's better than those overpriced brushes at big retail stores. Check out the reviews if you don't believe us. Wow. Okay, we'll give it one final test. It's going to be a life coach for young men. About the website, it'll be find your purpose and achieve it. Now, I'm pretty interested to see what we will get for this. So don't wait, find your purpose now with our life coach for young men. Achieving your goals is tough, but we're here to help. Get that winning edge and take control of your life by hiring a personal coach to help you achieve your goals and design a lifestyle that will make you feel fulfilled. The best investment you'll ever make in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best thing you can do for yourself and those around you. Spend a little every day and find out how much good it can do your life. Well, I would say that this copy is actually better than 90% of the copy I read out there. But the problem is that if you're looking to be one of the best, if you're looking to be in the top 5%, of anything. This will only regurgitate cliche after cliche. It is an endless cliche amalgamation of all the things we've ever said, and it spits out the most repeated. But I could also say that this is a great starting point. What you can do is you can use this as a basis, as a first draft, and edit and improve it. I am very impressed. I certainly recommend it, and I will link to the free trial in the description below. So give it a go and let me know how you find it. Next up is another text-to-image generator. I can definitely imagine using this in some abstract designs for really creating some inspiration, some new imagery that is not cliche. This one, I gave it the subject, a lobster wedding, and this is our lobster getting happily married. So this one's called Pixray, give that one a go too. And finally, one of the most intriguing and advanced AI tools that I've come across for designers is Visualeyes. Visualeyes is able to use the power of our AI to simulate eye tracking studies and preference tests with a 93% accuracy. It's used by some of the biggest companies in the world, including Airbnb, MailChimp, Spotify, IBM, and Microsoft. It offers you a heat map, an attention heat map of where the focus on designs that are being produced is most. It also gives you a clarity score, and finally, it highlights areas of interest. What are the most interesting parts of the design? It's a great tool that can be used by digital marketers, designers, and developers alike. And they've recently been acquired, and I can only see them going from strength to strength. There we have it. There are 5 brand new AI design tools which you can use to speed up your workflow. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please consider leaving a little like or a comment or even a subscription, because it would mean a lot to my ego. Have a delightful day!